Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create page cover on Samsung phone or how to create page cover or book cover on your Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and open the Notes application. Now go ahead and create your notes. Click on the three dots at top right. Then locate and click on Edit Cover. Hang on. Turn on Edit Cover. Then should say your cover sample. Now to give your cover a name, edit whatever you have here, and then give it a name. Now that's what we're going to have. Come here to change the color. You can add. Then click on this clip icon to add designs to the cover you are creating. And then once you're done, hit the back button. Now if you go back, you should have the page cover like this. So instead of having the document as text, then it's going to show the page cover. You see that? So that's exactly how to create page cover on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.